How to disable the camera shutter click sound on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable the camera shutter click sound on iPhone. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First, what you can do is you can simply enable the live camera option. So you can head over to your camera, and after you're on your camera, you will see on the top right corner the live option. If you turn on the live option, the camera shutter click sound should not be there, and you can turn it on and turn it off. But if that does not work, what you can do is head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, simply go to camera, and under camera you should find live option. Now after you find the live option, simply toggle that button off and you should not have the click sound on live photos. Now after you do so, what you can do to again disable the camera shutter click sound is you can use the silent toggle button that's on the left hand side of your iPhone. Simply put your phone on silent and that will basically turn off the camera shutter click sound. And yeah, that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can disable your camera shutter click sound on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.